Argentina, a land of breathtaking landscapes and rich culture, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. As we look ahead to 2025, the allure of this vibrant country becomes even more pronounced, beckoning travelers to explore its diverse offerings. Let's embark on a journey through 12 of the best places to visit in Argentina, each one a unique gem that contributes to the country's charm. First, we find ourselves in Buenos Aires, the pulsating heart of Argentina. This city is a tapestry of history and modernity, where European elegance meets Latin passion. The neighborhoods are alive with energy. San Telmo, with its cobblestone streets and tango dancers, invites you to step into the past. Meanwhile, Palermo boasts a hip atmosphere filled with trendy cafes and lush parks. Don't miss the iconic La Boca, where brightly painted houses tell stories of immigrant life, and the vibrant street art reflects the city's soul. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a nightlife hub, with milongas and bars buzzing with laughter and music. Next, we venture south to Patagonia, a region that captures the wild spirit of Argentina. The grandeur of Los Glaciares National Park is a must-see, where the Perito Moreno Glacier captivates visitors with its stunning blue ice formations. Imagine standing before this colossal glacier, hearing the thunderous sound of ice calving into the turquoise waters of Lago Argentino. The breathtaking landscapes here are a playground for adventurers, offering hiking trails, kayaking opportunities, and the chance to witness wildlife in its natural habitat. The beauty of Patagonia is unparalleled, a reminder of nature's raw power and majesty. As we travel further south, we arrive at Ushuaia, the southernmost city in the world. This unique destination is nestled between the mountains and the Beagle Channel, creating an idyllic setting for exploration. Ushuaia serves as a gateway to Tierra del Fuego National Park, where hiking trails lead you through lush forests and along stunning coastlines. The charm of this city lies not only in its breathtaking scenery, but also in its rich history as a former penal colony. The Maritime Museum and the End of the World Museum provide insight into the region's past, while the vibrant local culture adds to the experience. Heading north, we reach the stunning Iguazu Falls, one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on the planet. The sheer power and beauty of the falls, with their cascading waters and lush surrounding rainforest, create a sensory experience like no other. The Argentine side offers extensive walking trails that allow you to get up close and personal with the falls, while the panoramic views from the Brazilian side are equally breathtaking. The roar of the water, the mist on your face, and the vibrant rainbows that form in the spray are memories that linger long after your visit. Next, we make our way to Mendoza, a region renowned for its world-class wine production. The sun-drenched vineyards, nestled against the backdrop of the Andes Mountains, create a picturesque landscape that invites you to indulge in wine tasting. Sampling Malbecs and other varietals at the local wineries is an experience that tantalizes the palate, while the culinary scene offers a delightful fusion of flavors. Mendoza is also a hub for outdoor activities, from hiking in the Andes to whitewater rafting, making it a perfect destination for both relaxation and adventure. Continuing our journey, we arrive at Bariloche, a charming town located in the Lake District. Known for its Swiss-style architecture and stunning alpine scenery, Bariloche is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The surrounding lakes and mountains provide endless opportunities for skiing in the winter and hiking or biking in the summer. The local chocolate shops, a remnant of the town's European heritage, offer sweet treats that are hard to resist. Whether you're taking in the views from Cerro Campanario or cruising on Lake Nahuel Huapi, Bariloche enchants visitors with its natural beauty. As we move towards the northeast, we discover the stunning landscapes of Salta and Jujuy. This region showcases the breathtaking beauty of the Andes, with colorful mountains and unique rock formations. The Quebrada de Humahuaca, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a highlight, where the vibrant hues of the hills create a surreal backdrop. Salta itself is a charming city, with colonial architecture and a rich cultural scene. The region is also known for its indigenous heritage, and visiting local markets allows you to experience the traditions and crafts of the people. Next, we explore the vibrant culture of Rosario, a city that embodies the spirit of Argentina. Known as the birthplace of the Argentine flag, Rosario boasts a rich history and a lively arts scene. The waterfront along the Parana River is perfect for leisurely strolls, while the city's parks and plazas are filled with life. The National Flag Memorial is a must-visit, offering a glimpse into the country's history. Rosario also has a burgeoning culinary scene, with restaurants that showcase the best of Argentine cuisine, from asado to empanadas. As we continue our journey, we arrive at the picturesque town of Tigre, located just outside of Buenos Aires. This unique destination is built on a network of waterways, making it a perfect spot for a day trip. The delta's lush greenery and charming houses on stilts create a serene atmosphere. Exploring the canals by boat allows you to appreciate the natural beauty and tranquility of the area. The Puerto de Frutos market is a delightful place to shop for local crafts and enjoy traditional Argentine snacks. Finally, we conclude our journey in the stunning landscapes of the Pampas region. This vast expanse of grasslands is home to the iconic gauchos, the skilled horsemen of Argentina. Visiting an estancia, or ranch, offers a glimpse into the traditional lifestyle of the gauchos, complete with horseback riding, folkloric music, and delicious asado. The Pampas is a place where the spirit of Argentina comes alive, showcasing the country's agricultural heritage and deep-rooted traditions. As we look ahead to 2025, Argentina stands poised to welcome travelers with open arms. Each of these 12 destinations offers a unique perspective on the country's beauty, culture, and history. From the bustling streets of Buenos Aires to the serene landscapes of Patagonia, Argentina is a land of contrasts and adventures, waiting to be explored. So, pack your bags and prepare for a journey that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime.